Like that I started a fight with this Pokemon, but it's still just walking away.
Well, I'm gonna head over to that ghost tower. Where is that ghost tower? Death Point, Spawn Town, Ghost Tower. Oh, there's a sheep farm along the way. That'll be something to see.
Sheep in my Pokemon.
Yes. Yes, indeed. Well said, but because we've got Millionaire, and because I've turned off all the villages but not the lone buildings, there are sheep in the Pokemon. I'm gonna want some cacti for green dye.
Poison powder. That might be better than growl.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to say it definitely is.
Are you sure about that?
Quite.
I don't think I need sleep powder.
What?
But it could be so good.
It could. A cast form? A cast form?
Yeah, that's another Pokemon that's kind of hard to get.
Yeah. I don't want to kill you. Please don't die.
And it's dead.
I'm about to use all of my Pokeballs catching this thing, I'm sure.
Even the Ultra Balls?
I only have Ultra Balls left.
Ah, braggy.
What?
Oh god. Ugh.
How?
Just jump off a cliff.
Wait, someone's been exploring this cave system. They're tortured.
Okay, here goes number one. Mm-hmm. Here goes number two.
Ow.
And off goes all Pokeballs.
Mm-hmm. Here goes number three.
I don't know what type you are.
Okay, well, I'm going to try to kill it a little bit more. Maybe Golett can hurt it without killing it? Pound, Shadow Punch, level 14, level 25. Shadow Punch. Oh my god, it's got a half of a sliver of health left. Pokeball time. I got 2 left. Oh my god, come on. One more Pokeball.
Just notice when you catch a Pokemon, it sounds like a microwave
I know, right?
sound.
Ah! Oh, my last one. My last ball and I caught him. Whew! Okay. Okay. I mean, I used all my balls that I wanted to catch Ghost with, but, okay. Aha! And I can get a slime ball now. Yay! Okay. So I'm going to make a mechanical anvil. Where is not the sheep farm anymore, but Spawn Town.
Yeah, I guess we won't get those rewards until we fix it so we can actually see the command
Yeah.
used. And
Yeah, maybe. I oh man. I got to fix that. I mean, I can see it, so it's good for me.
oh yeah, very good for you.
Yeah. Trio, trio, trio. Now, keep in mind this only gives you one slime ball. So you'll still probably want slime balls yourself.
Just
Why
gotta
is it
figure out
trapped?
how to get them.
If we can find a swamp, it'll be a lot easier.
I did find a swamp, but I didn't really see any slime Pokemon.
Hmm.
Find a muck.
Yeah.
Oh, I did see a muck earlier, actually. Huh.
and
I
you
didn't even think about getting that.
Wow.
I know, right? Wow. Okay, I guess let's make more Pokeballs? Let's make a mechanical anvil. Another cast form? What the heck?
Yeah, they're not that rare in this game.
Weird. Oh look, there's an Earthman. Can I catch him? Ow.
Oh. Guess I can't catch you.
Not with a pickaxe.
Oh, so this is where you live.
Yes?
Joink, 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 joink.
Are you
joink.
trying to say yoink?
I'm saying zoink. It's like yoink, but with a Z.
Hmm. Hey!
You kick my butt.
Yes, yes indeed. That's why I was perfectly fine with accepting that.
Ooh.
I should probably go heal my Bulbasaur.
And you should probably catch other things.
Gotta get me a Pidgey first.
A Pidgey is another thing. Okay, what was I doing?
So many Machops.
Mechanical anvil. How do you make that? Ooh, a fossil cleaner. I should make one of those. And a fossil machine? Ooh, that takes a lot. I'll work on that eventually. A trader. A cloning machine to make Mewtwo. A ranch block. Mechanical anvil. Okay, it's just a slime piston, some iron bars, and a furnace.
Ooh, a Clefairy.
Yeah, I saw one earlier, and I was sad that I was out of Pokeballs. Okay, so a piston, huh? I definitely remember how to make those.
Oh, Portal's here again. Taunting me.
You should go in.
I would if I had a flying Pokemon. Which I still haven't gone for some reason. I guess I should work on that.
You also need to be leveled up pretty high in order to be able to fly on it.
Yeah. No, I think it should be fine.
Okay, so what was it? It was like this, and then iron, and then redstone?
Don't know your basic recipes.
Basic? Who makes a piston in normal Minecraft?
Few people.
Very few.
Well, there is a recipe book now in Minecraft.
Ew. I'm not playing on the Xbox.
Well, it's there for you to use.
But you have to learn it somehow first.
Well, you just need the materials. for most of them.
TNT, a shield, a quartz block. Why do I know how to make that? Iron bars. The pistons are too new.
What do you mean too new?
They are.
But what do you mean?
They're not in my list. Wait, there's a search
Oh.
feature. Piston. Oh, there it is. I'm just blind, apparently. Oh, I got the wood and the stone backwards. Ah. Okay, and then I need to dex list. And then how do you interact with this? Click to claim. Nice. Did you see that?
No.
Oh, it said the server gave Falanoel a slime ball.
Oh,
Nothing appeared for me.
nope. Me neither. It does keep telling me that I have a tier to claim, which I can't claim.
I'll fix it. I just want to make the mechanical anvil first.
Yeah, it's fine. No rush. I can ignore text messages. But I can't ignore this portal.
Nope, you gotta go into that.
I will. As soon as I get a flying Pokemon.
Does the Pokemon need to know the move fly in order for you to fly?
No.
Or is it
Nope.
so just the type?
Yep.
Just specific flying Pokemon.
Yeah, very specific. Look at that. Look how much
It has to be
easier
like-
this is. Oh my god, this is so much easier. Earthman, come to my house. Check this out.
No, I need to heal my Pokemon first.
Look at how great this is. This is so great.
I believe you.
Oh my god.
Healing Pokemon sound is weird. They should have the.
That's illegal.
No.
No, that's
No.
illegal.
No.
I
Yes?
mean, this mod is already like skirting the illegal.
Extremely skirting it. The one it replaced was kicked off. It got a cease and desist because of how illegal it was. What? That was
Now
green.
It looks even more realistic.
What? Realistic?
Anyways, what's great? What am I looking at?
Oh, you're here. It's this thing over here. You remember how I made the Pokeballs?
Mm-hmm.
This does it for you. Look at it. Get out of the menu. Stop going in the menu. You can't see it. Do you see it?
I see the top of the Pokeball. I don't see the full Pokeball.
No, it hammers it for you, so you don't have to hammer it.
The base.
Yes.
Nice.
And you still need to hammer the two separate parts, and then you combine them.
How do you make this?
You need a slime ball. I'll tell you the rest once you have a slime ball.
Let me go find a Pidgey. Oh my God! It's a oh God!
What? It's a
Alright.
Charmander!
It's a Charmander.
Don't leave that! How many Pokeballs do you have left?
Damn, it's level 16.
Do you want me to catch it? I can give you its baby when I start breeding.
What? It doesn't want to attack. It doesn't want to fight me.
Do you want me to catch it?
There we go.
Don't kill it.
Magnet magnitude is a continuous attack, isn't it?
No.
I don't think
Oh,
so.
okay.
Why would you use magnitude?
No, I think the Charmander used it. No, his Geodude used it. Okay. Yeah, don't use magnitude. You don't know how much power it's going to have. It's halfway. How many Pokeballs do you have left?
4.
I wonder if you could like drop Pokeballs to a person in a fight, just to keep resupplying them.
Eh.
Oh my god, does it? Oh my god, it does!
What? Oh, I gave him the Ultra Balls.
That's funny.
It's another effing male. How many Pokemon do you have? How many Pokemon do you have left?
This is my last one.
Mm-hmm.
Just run in the end if it doesn't work out.
Yes!
Okay.
Oh gosh.
I caught it!
Now give me the leftover Pokeballs.
Okay.
Q? Are you pressing Q?
Oh, no, I wasn't.
Hmm.
Anyways, I need to go heal my Pokemon now.
Yeah. Also, I'm going to need to borrow that when I have a breeder set up. And a Ditto. Because it's a stupid male.
Sexist.
Yeah, because you need a Ditto for the males.
What? No. Does it need to be a female Ditto?
No.
Or
There's no
Ditto-
gender on
gender
Dittos.
neutral? Yeah, that makes sense.
Something fun. If you breed 2 Dittos together, they will give you a random Pokemon.
Nice. Is that in the game as well?
Yes, this game, but not the regular Pokemon game.
Huh. That's interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, Charmander's level 16. That means if I level him up, he will evolve.
That's likely.
Ooh, I am changing this.
Oh.
Alright, come on, Charmander. Let's go have some fun.
One of these is green for some reason.
What's a special Bidoof?
I've heard about those. I'm not sure. Did you find one?
No, because I found the config button for Pixelmon,
Uh-huh.
and I just like looked at the different configs, and at the very bottom it says just chance to get special Bidoof.
What is the chance?
It says 30, but you have to catch it with a luxury ball apparently.
Ah. Oh, good thing that's one of the rewards.
Hmm. I was wondering if this is where you could also change the limit on berry tree bushes and stuff.
Mm-hmm. You're looking for that? Yeah, I need to look for that as well. On that note, I should also leave. Bye, Fel fans! That was fun. He caught a Charmander.
I did catch a Charmander.
And I've got Pokeballs. I wanted to do friend balls, but I don't have enough green. I don't have enough green and red yet.
Are there badges in this game?
Yes, and there's a badge case.
Do they make it? Is it the same way that you have to have a certain level of
No,
badges, or else the Pokemon won't obey you at a certain level?
no.
So they'll just even if I capture a level 100, it'll obey me.
Technically,
Okay.
Also, yeah, I found the maximum plant setting here.
Oh, where is it?
Let's see, I think I pressed P for the config, and then general,
I don't know what that is.
then like the first numerical version.
Come
I
on,
wonder
ho
if it
ho
is
ho
possible
ho
to
ho
change that.
ho ho.
World generation? No, you put. You said it was under general.
Yeah, the general.
Maximum plants.
Yeah,
6400.
6400. That's quite a lot in one chunk.
Thank you. Now let's see how well it does.
Yeah, I wonder because I can also change settings there, and that doesn't really feel right.
It does not. No. Too many plants here. Nope, didn't do it.
Hmm.
No! Wow. You can turn a berry straight into wood.
Yep.
Yay!
Abra. Bra.
Corp.
Garp, garp, garp.
Garp, garp, garp.
RPoe. Corp. Corp. Corp, corp, corp.
RPoe.